Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to add Midjourney bot to your private chat or private server and use the prompts from there. So rather than using it in a crowded space like this, you can just have a separate chat server with Midjourney alone so that you can view your images much more in a proper way. So let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do is you need to just click on this add a server, select that, and you need to create my own, and you can just click for me and my friends, and you can just have a name. I will just have Midjourney trial, something like that, and just click on create. So here you will be having this Midjourney trial. So after you're creating your server, you need to just again go to Midjourney, and in this Midjourney, in the top right, you will be having this show member list, user profile like icon. Just click on that, and in the right side, if you scroll down, you'll be having this Midjourney bot. So just hover your mouse over it and left click on it. Don't right click, it's left click, and you'll be having this add to server. So if you're like scrolling down, just scroll up, you'll be having this add to server. Just click on add to server, and here you need to select a server. So just click that, and here we are having this Midjourney trial, which is a server that we have created. Just click on continue and give every permission. So I'll just and just click on authorize. So you need to just confirm this thing, human, select the toys, just click on verify. So here you can see that Midjourney bot has been authorized. Just go to Midjourney trial. So now we are in this particular server and we are having Midjourney bot. So if I just click on type imagine, so here you can see that I can enter my Midjourney prompts from here, and if I enter something, it will throw me an error because I haven't subscribed. And this is how you do it, guys. Subscribe me, and thanks for watching.